at Happy Hen Chicken Rescue. My name is Kirsten Rosenberg. I'm a veterinarian. I always wanted to start a farm animal sanctuary, but before I did, my daughter Zoe went ahead and started a sanctuary.
Hi, I'm Zoe Rosenberg and I'm 12 years old and I'm the founder of Happy Hen Chicken Rescue. And the reason I wanted to start this rescue is to help all the suffering hens. We have 64 chickens here and they were all rescued from factory egg-laying farms. Some from battery hen facilities where they're packed very tightly into cages. Others are from free-range facilities which aren't really free-range. They're just packed into pneumonia-filled barns where they never get out, they never see sunlight, they never get to even take a dust bath because there's no room. And we have 2 pigs. They're rescued from the pork industry where they would have been slaughtered and sold at a grocery store just because people want to eat their meat. And we have 5 goats, 4 rescued from the dairy goat industry, and 1 was found wandering on the side of the street. I'm a vegan because I don't want to support the cruel industry that goes on farms every day.
Well, here at Happy Hen Chicken Rescue, we have 71 farm animals that we've rescued, which may sound like a lot of animals, and it is a lot of animals to take care of, but you can actually do even more. You can save even more animals than that every single year just by choosing a vegan diet. You can save 198 animals a year, and that's our biggest goal, is to educate people so that they can make better choices to save animals and save their own health and also our planet.
For more information, you can go to www.chickenrescue.org, and we're also on Facebook if you just search Happy Hen Chicken Rescue.